Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to add a price to the CPS buy that we made on the last episode. I know it had been a long time, but school exists, so yeah. This had been recommended by the person on the screen right now. Thank you for him, credits on the description. So we're straight gonna get to the topic. We see here that we have made a button that's called CPS, and whenever you buy it or click on it, it increases your clicks per second. But what we didn't do is we did not add a price to it, and that will be broken for the game since anybody using it can actually buy infinity amount of it and just break the game, like the one I put on screen right now. I may have done that a lot of times, but I did add a price to that, so yeah. Okay, now let's get to the main topic. We added that, but we had to work on the JavaScript. What I want to do is, whenever it first starts, and I also want to make a new saving, and I will name it if local storage dot clicks CPS price equals greater than or equal to, let's see, okay, greater than or equal to, I'll make the starting price 10 clicks. Actually, never mind, I'm gonna make it 25. If it's more than or equal to 25, then CPS price equal to local storage CPS price. If else, oh wait, I forgot to add the opening for there. I'll just leave that now. Okay, else CPS price will be 25. Okay, that's our value for the price. That's going to be the starting price. Now I'm going to find the buying function, which is right there. So I'm gonna copy this and add the if statement. If clicks is equal to, did I add the parentheses? No, I did not. If CPS is greater than or equal to CPS price, then it will buy it, which is pasting it right there. Okay, actually, yes, that'll be the code. So if it's over the price, then it will do that. Yeah, if CPS is greater than CPS price, which is this price, it will be able to buy it. But then, what it will do is, it will do CPS equals CPS minus CPS price. That is so you don't get, I'll basically be spending $0. So yeah, what I also want to do is, whenever the price, like whenever it is bought, I want it to change up, so it goes up, and that is in fact what is one of the recommended. So what I will do is, whenever it is bought, it will set the CPS price to CPS price I'll just put in any value here. It has to be over than 1 and less than 2. It doesn't have to be less than 2. You can make it any. If you make it less than 1, it will go lower. If you make it greater than 1, it will go higher. That's why I'm gonna do like 1.2. That'd be like the CPS price plus how much 2/10 of it is. And so that 1.2 right now for the 25 CPS price will be, let me calculate, 8. Right, yeah, it'll be 8 more. So yeah. And now I'll do round. So if it, wait, I did that right? Let's see. Yeah, there's a round, I think. Oh, I think it's math.round. Dot round. Wait. If I do that, math dot. Where is this? Let me check my notes right now. Okay, I have just checked and it is, in fact, a capital M math dot. Now it'll show, yeah, it shows new options and we'll do round. Math dot round and whatever that is. So, now what I will do is test it out. I'll come here and open with live server. There's a tutorial on my YouTube channel on how to get that thing on open with live server. And if you watch it, you'll learn it. So I won't take my time here. Now it has opened, and as you can see, it's currently 25. We had to get 25. Now we should be able to buy this.
No.
Right? Let's see what is happening, because something is apparently wrong. So it is 25, right? I am thinking on what is happening. Oh, and I also forgot something, that apparently in the last one, every time it updated, it forgot to save it, so I had to fix that. Every time it increases, it says the local storage dot CPS. CPS. Yeah. Okay. Now I fixed that. You make sure you added that if you already haven't, because or your game will not work after getting the autoclicks. So, but first we have to make this work, and that's why I need to check my notes again. It seems to be correct, other than function CPS by if CPS, which is, I have found it, everyone. That is not how much clicks we have. This is it. Clicks. And this. I mean, keep writing CPS because my mind is not good today. Clicks equals clicks. Let me see if that's what I did in the other code. Yeah, that is what I did wrong, and I'm really sorry. Local storage dot, and this is actually CPS for the first ever time something, right? Yes, okay. Now CPS price is that. Now let's test it out. Open it live server. Now what should happen now is that we should be able to buy this. And as you can see, it's working. That is what I thought. It's going to negative, and I don't want that. Let's see the code. What I did on the other code is I got this and I made it something else. CPS price. I mean, that's not what we're trying to do, right? CPS is CPS minus CPS price. As you remember, this is going to be clicks, and this is going to be clicks too. Now we should be able to work. Now what I will do here is take all those back. Now do this. Okay. Now let's see. As you can see, we have 28 right now. What I will do is I'll click one more time to see if it works. Now I'll click this, and as you can see, it's going up, and the price currently should be 32. So let's wait until 32, or just spam there. Okay. Yeah, I guess it was about the same. I hope. Let's see. Okay, in the clicker.js, apparently with CPS price equals, yeah. Then let's make it that it shows us what the clicks per second price is. So document, the capital D dot get element by ID. Let's just CPS y. I think that's what I named it. And no, there's no by. Dot inner HTML is do we need these again? I'll just put them because they don't affect anything. It will be CPS, and I will put the C there, and plus CPS price. And now let's see. Let's refresh. I will have to put this to when the document first starts, so we see. I'll just put this there. I see that this is supposed to be a normal D. Because it works. And I'll try that. As you can see, CPS is C25. And when we buy it, it goes up as you can see. We click it again. It went up 6, and we can just continue this. But it did not round. That is what I'm gonna do for today because I have recorded for too much, and have a great day. Peace out, be a good coder, and be chill. Bye.